Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Queen Kiss the Moon, Chapter 2. So here it is. Let's read the story. Nominated for the Best Actress awards are Red Cherry. In chronology, seems that she really win and get the Best Actress award. As well as, right now, looking at her, she looks really serious. Her eyes, it was like enchanting. But right now, she really thinking about Tang Wang Ting fixing the dress she's going to wear. Well, for that moment, the biography of Shen An, business opinion. Her name is Shang Yi. Well, she looking forward for it. Turns out the MC is going to announce the winner of the Best Actress at the 8th Starlight Festival is. Four girls are being chosen. Right now, here it is. The winner could be Zhang Yi. Right now, she seems to be surprised. She's really looking forward for this. Well, she must be really happy. She'll win the awards, especially right now. One of the girls said, "Congratulations." Zhang Yi said, "Thank you. I was surprised too." Well, it's kinda sportsmanship for her. Now, she moved forward to go to the stage, receive the award. Zhang Yi, she looks really beautiful. Also, her dress, it's really suit her well. She was standing on the stage. She looks really gorgeous. Looking at her, with the body package and temperament, she was really outstanding. She entered the stage. Hello everyone, I'm actor. I'd like to thank you, the host committee, for the recognitions and thank you all for your support and love for me. Now she's thanking everyone. I would like to thank the director for trusting me and all the cast and the crew for their hard work and dedication. Now, she must really thankful. Of course, I also want to thank myself for working hard. Angie, the future is at peak, waiting for you to climb to it. Well, for now, you're really looking forward to it. When you join the team next month, Sister Meng said that no extra work will be arranged for you during the period, so you can take a good rest. Well, it just happened. I will study the script during this period. Well, why suddenly she got interested on Tang Wang things and she was searching on the Weibo. Well, she really get tricky. She really got interested. And the first of them met each other. Now, she really got interested to her. Especially Tang Wang Ting. You can't deny it that she is really beautiful. You have really worked hard this year. Now, her friend said to her, "Know it too, you'd better go home and live with me." Now, it seems that it was a flattering feelings for her. Do you know what I'm most fortunate about? That I grew up with you. I am your most loyal friend. Well, looking at her friend, she really looked cute. With a dog face. Foundation rub on me. How can a friend willing to stay away from the eldest lady? Eldest lady will make a fortune. Remember to take me with you. Now the two of them are teasing each other, especially her friend. She don't know she can handle herself alone. Get out. Hands become slippery. Her friends said no. They continue teasing each other. Well, it was getting late at night. Still the two of them are teasing each other. During this time, both of them are not sleeping. Suddenly, Zhang Yi is really impressive, like a proud peacock. The acceptance speech was a bit arrogant. Now, another friend of her is calling her. Also got a chance to tease her. They also have the capital to be proud of. Debuted as child star. Her acting skills are good. Have two consecutive 2 years and they are also good looking. I want you to see if there's any discussions about our dress in the hot search. Who asked you to gossip? Well, right now, Tang Wang Ting really got curious. Because you know, she was really popular also. As soon as you enter, you start fishing unconsciously. Right now, her secretary is informing her. Looking at it, she looks really serious. Well, probably she remember Shang Yi is the one who's the owner of the dress. Right now, could it be that? Boss, we are prosperous. Assistant said to Tang Wang Sing. And Tang Wang Sing right now is looking at her. Well, for now, Shang Yi gives you a thumbs up. Well, it turns out it was Shang Yi. That's why the hot search is getting high. Because Tang Yi frees her. Well, it's really good. So, there's a lot of chapters in the future. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!